Hello everyone, today we received a 1/14 scale simulated 3-speed gearbox assembly from RC Tamiya Model Studio. Let's start by taking a look at its exterior structure. Both the overall design and the finer details are truly outstanding. These components are all manufactured from high-quality plastic, while also ensuring structural strength. The craftsmanship is highly refined, and the details are meticulously executed. The gearbox integrates 3 operating modes: high speed, low speed, and neutral, and supports a voltage input range of 7.4V to 11.1V, offering flexible power output capabilities. The internal structure has been upgraded to a completely new shift architecture, employing a dual planetary gear layout and all steel gears, resulting in significant improvements in strength and transmission efficiency. The gearbox has a maximum traction force of 160 kilograms under the condition of 7.4V power supply. The gearbox features a dual ratio configuration of 111 and 125, achieving a balanced torque output that strikes a balance between driving speed and torque performance. The overall dimensions of the gearbox are 17.5 times 5.8 times 8.9 centimeters, L times W times H, and its net weight is approximately 780 G. The gearbox's internal power system features a neodymium iron boron brushed motor paired with 45-pound carbon steel gears, hardness approximately 28 HRC, supporting real-time gear shifting and optimizing response speed and durability while ensuring transmission accuracy. Next, we will power up the transmission and observe its actual performance. Connect the ESC power supply, the gearbox gear control terminal, and the gearbox power terminal. Now that all the electronic components have been powered up, let's take a look at the gearbox section. The gearbox has 3 gears. The current position is neutral. This is low gear, and this is high gear. Okay, that concludes the unboxing and introduction of the 1/14 scale 3-speed gearbox. If you have any further questions about this gearbox, feel free to ask. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, follow, and save it. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!